Hi everyone! We are here to talk about healthy habits that can help kids feel their best. These are simple habits that anyone can start doing.
It's important to take a break to relax. Doing something quiet, like reading or drawing, help us feel calm and focused. Checkmate.
Drinking water is very important, especially when we are active. Try to drink water throughout the day to stay hydrated.
Being active is fun and keeps us strong. You can dance, play sports, or even do exercises. Just move your body every day.
Yes, I don't have practice.
Okay, calm down, relax. You remember what I told you inside the class? Take a deep breath in and take it out. Yalla, do it with me. Okay. Now answer the questions.
No, I can write this. Okay, I have it.
Good.
Mindfulness helps us feel calm. You can try taking deep breaths or spend a few minutes just sitting quietly.
Getting enough sleep helps us feel rested and ready to learn. Try to go to bed at the same time every night and put away screens an hour before bedtime.
Eating healthy food gives us the energy to play and learn. Try to include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your meals.
Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you feel great every day. Let's all make healthy choices together.